Hey everybody, welcome to beautiful Miami Beach, Florida. Today we're at the Hotel Gaythering. Let's go check out the rooms, see the bar, and yeah, see what this hotel has. Let's go. All right, well let's go ahead and check out the room. We got a room up here on the second floor, and yeah, here we are. Room 280. Let's get the code. All right. Home sweet home. Welcome to the room. This is what they call their Studio King. You get a king-size bed here. Very soft. I was very comfortable in it. You got your white noise machine over there. Plenty of plugs for charging things. The lighting in here is a little dim, so we have the window open. This window looks out onto the courtyard at the front. Lots of natural light there. Coming around, we have the sitting area. You got a nice couch, little Rock'em Sock'em Robots game. You get another nice mask, might come in handy for something. Some interesting art. Inside each room, you also get a small little kitchenette here. We got a sink, refrigerator, microwave, some garage-inspired shelving, and some dishes if you need them. Let's see, little workstation, in case you gotta work from home on your vacation. Over here we got an ironing board and an iron. And then moving on from that, we have the bathroom. Bathroom, you got your sink, toilet with bidet. You got your nice walk-in shower here. Your shampoo and conditioner built in there, as well as hand soap. They've offered us plenty of towels, so no troubles there. Another little chair, telephone sitting area. I really like the tool workbench garage accessories throughout the room. So you can put your clothes in this toolbox. And a TV, of course, a little safe, and your little closet area. And yeah, that's the room. One thing I did want to mention if you're thinking about booking a room here is a pretty big thing if you require, complete silence when you sleep. This hotel does have a fairly popular gay bar located in the lobby. Depending on where your hotel room sits on the compound, you may be either like right above or right near the bar. And so during bar hours, there is going to be a little bit of noise that gets into your room. Thankfully, the bars do close at 2 a.m. here, so after that, it gets really quiet. But if you're someone who's sensitive to sound while you're sleeping, it is something that you might be bothered by. They do provide a white noise machine in the rooms, and obviously you could wear earplugs and stuff, but just something to keep in mind. All right, we're down at the bar. I got the Suddenly Gay, I think was what it was called. It's a peach drink, so let's try it. Oh, I really like it. And it's kind of like a Bellini mixed with a margarita. That'd be my my closest thing. But yeah, really good. Cheers. How do you like your drink, Daniel?
It's pretty good. It's absolute berry vodka Rita. Tastes pretty good. I like it.
So this bar is really cute and chill. It looks like they got karaoke every Monday night. Wednesday is trivia night. Thursdays they have bingo. And let's see, it looks like they have a game night on select Saturdays. So that could be fun to check out also. The bar is open daily, Sunday through Thursday at 5 p.m. And then Friday and Saturday it's open till 2 a.m. So keep that in mind if you like to churn in early. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at the Gaythering. Its location close to the beach, the Lincoln Road Mall, and to the Miami cruise port make it our go-to choice when we visit South Beach. It was our 4th time staying there, and I'm sure it won't be the last. That's all I have for y'all today. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Hotel Gaythering. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.